Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the Scarlet Witch. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Scarlet Witch drawing, I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to curve up to here. And then I want to leave some space and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to curve right up to here. Then I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve over. And then I'm going to start right here and draw another one that's going to curve over. Starting here, I'm going to add just a little curved line for her nose. And then I'm just going to make a little line that's going to curve down like this. The little line's going to go down and then up here for her lips. Now starting up here, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve down. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a little line that's going to come down like this. And then right here I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and then it's going to come down to here. We'll connect this over. I'm going to make the top of this line just a little bit darker on each side. And then starting here, I'm going to add a little curved line for the pupil, and then another one right here for the pupil. Then I'm just going to kind of color most of this in. And I'll do the same thing here, just kind of color most of this in. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve up and over like this. Same thing here, down. That's going to curve up and then over. Make it a little darker towards the top. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come to a rounded point, and that's going to come back up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make the neck, so I'm just going to draw a little line. It's just going to come down, and it's going to come back up like this. Make a little line that's going to go out, and it's going to come down, and another one over here. It's going to go out and then down. Bring this line down a little bit on each side. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down, and then one over here it's going to come down. Then we're going to go out at an angle and bring it back up. Same thing here, out at an angle, and then bring it back up for the jacket. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and then up for where her shirt is. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down, and then one over here. Draw a little line that's going to come down, it's going to curve up, and then it's going to come right up to here. Same thing here for the feet. We're going to go down, we're going to curve it around, and we're going to bring it up, and we're going to bring it right across, draw a little line across here. Draw a little line here, and then a little line over here. We'll add another little line right across here. Now for her jacket, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down and in. Same thing here, down and in. Then we're going to go out and then all the way down here. We're going to go out and then all the way down. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come out. It's going to go down and then back up. Same thing here, we're going to go out, down, and then back up. I'm going to start here by making a little line. It's going to curve around like this. Another one here, it's going to go up, down, and then come back up. Make a little line right here. Another one here, and then one more here that's going to curve up here for our hands. Do the same thing here. We're just going to curve around here. One more here, and then one more it's going to go down and then curve up here. Just going to add a little line on here for some details on her jacket. I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and up for her necklace, and then a little oval shape right here. Now right around here I'm going to add her little power. So I'm just going to make some kind of like pointy lines. They're just going to go all the way around here. Now I'll do the same thing over here. I'm just going to make them all kind of zigzag and crazy. We're just going to bring them all the way around here. Next, I'm going to start right at the top of this little flame shape, and I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around, and then it's going to come back down to here. Then I'm just going to make some long kind of zigzag lines right in here, just to kind of show where her hair connects back to the body. I'm also going to draw just a couple these lines down a little bit. Then I'm just going to add a little curved line in here for part of her hair, and then a couple more little lines in here just for some extra details. Maybe another little line up here. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Scarlet Witch. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.